Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube video on dual engine cycle. I, Mr. Ajit Ghatge, Department of Mechanical Engineering, KLE's CB Kori Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Dear friends, today I am going to explain about dual engine cycle. So in this cycle, the heat is supplied in two different processes, one at constant volume and other at constant pressure, and heat is rejected at constant volume process. And this cycle consists 5 different processes: 2 isentropic process, 2 constant volume process, and 1 constant pressure process. Let me explain one by one process. So process number 1, see here from 1 to 2, and see this is piston cylinder arrangement, you can see here, and you can say this point is called TDC, this is at BDC, means top dead center and bottom dead center. In process number 1, it is called isentropic compression process, means in this process heat remain constant but temperature rise from T1 to T2 and volume decrease from Phi1 to Phi2 and pressure increase from P1 to P2. These are the changes of properties of system. Now what will happen in process number 1? So in this process, piston moves from BDC to TDC, means volume decrease, means air become what? Compress, means system become compress, means temperature increase from T1 to T2 and pressure increase from P1 to P2 and volume decrease from Phi1 to Phi2. And in this process there is no addition or rejection of heat from or to the system, means there is no supply or rejection of heat, means heat remain constant. That's why there is no any equation of for heat rejection or heat addition. Then process number 2, see from here to here. In this process volume remain constant but temperature increase from T2 to T3, you can see here this is T2, this is T3, and pressure increase from P2 to P3 but volume remain constant and heat is supplied in this process. It is supplied in this process from the external source, means I can write for equation Q 2 to 3, this is cycle process, equal to mass of gas M Cv at constant volume of T3 minus T2. This is what heat addition equation. Q equals to M means mass of system or mass of gas, Cv means specific heat at constant volume of T3 minus T2. This is what equation for heat addition at constant volume. Next process 3 to 4, this one. So in this process again heat is added from external source and piston moves from TDC to BDC, this much, means volume increase from Phi3 to Phi4 and temperature increase from T3 to T4 but pressure remains same, means P3 equals to, I can write P4, means pressure remain constant and heat is added from the external source. So I can write heat equation Q 3 to 4 equals to mass of gas M Cp at constant pressure, that's why Cp of T4 minus T3. This is what equation for heat addition at constant pressure process. Then process number 4, from 4 to 5. This is called isentropic compression process. Expansion process means piston move from TDC to BDC, and in this process heat remain constant. There is no interaction of heat to the system, means there is no addition of heat or there is no rejection of heat, but temperature drop from T4 to T5, decrease in volume from V4 to V5, and drop in pressure from P4 to P5. These are the change of properties of system, but heat remain constant. There is no addition or rejection of heat in this process. It is called what? Expansion process. The next, last process, 5 to 1. In this process, volume remain constant, heat is ejected from system to atmosphere, and temperature drop from T5 to T1, and pressure drop from P5 to P1, and volume remain constant. And in this process, heat is rejected from system to surrounding or from system to atmosphere, but volume remain constant. There is no change in volume, means I can write V5 equals to V1. So that's why equation becomes now Q 5 to 1 equals to mass of gas CV at constant volume of T5 minus T1. This is the what equation for heat rejection. Q equals to mCV of T5 minus T1, because in this heat is rejected from system to surrounding or from system to atmosphere. So this is the what working principle of dual engine cycle, means in this cycle heat is added in two different processes, one at constant volume and other at constant pressure, and heat is rejected at constant volume process, and the remaining two are, one is adiabatic expansion process, the other is adiabatic compression process. Totally there are 5 different processes in this cycle. I hope you will understand from this video. Thank you for watching this video.